under the command of Admiral Sir James Somerville, CNC Eastern Fleet, it was a strong force that supported the surprise attack on Sabang in Sumatra. Battleships, cruisers, destroyers and submarines. There were also American, French and Dutch ships, and American carrier-borne aircraft took part as well as the fleet air arm. Hellcats, Corsairs, Avengers and Barracudas did the job. Aircraft are seen on their way to the target, the operation taking place only 4 days after the transfer of the Southeast Asia Command from New Delhi to Ceylon. The main target was the port of Sabang on an island off the most northerly point of Sumatra. Commanding the western approach to the Straits of Malacca, Sabang, with its dockyard, power station, wharves, barracks, hangars, workshops and radio station, presented excellent objectives, not to mention shipping in the port. A Jap destroyer which tried to make a getaway was hit and set on fire. Another suffered the same fate, also an escort vessel and 2 merchant ships. Over a score of enemy planes were destroyed on the ground, and direct hits with heavy bombs were obtained on all objectives. These pictures give a pretty good idea of some of the damage done in the attack, in which, to quote Admiral Somerville, caught the Japs with their kimonos up. New pictures from eastern waters reveal